Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP DeskJet 2710 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to type in HP DeskJet 2710 series drivers. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP DeskJet 2710 all-in-one printer software. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to go down underneath the installation software and full/basic driver support and select the blue download button that corresponds to it. And then once it's on downloading to your system, you want to go ahead and open up that file to run it. It should be a verified publisher as well from HP Inc. Make sure you're getting it directly from HP here. And select yes. And then you want to proceed with the on-screen setup here. And it shouldn't take very long. Again, you just want to follow along with whatever the on-screen suggestions are, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.